Welcome to Sandhill Elementary's virtual open house. This is specific to second grade. Hope you enjoy this.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Dean and I'm a teacher here at Sandhill Elementary. I've been teaching second grade for 4 years now, and before that I was teaching in Georgia. I'm really glad to be a part of the Sandhill Elementary family, and I'm glad that I get to meet so many of your children as my students and just being able to see them around campus. Welcome to Open House, and I'm excited and looking forward to how great this year is going to be.
Hi, Cranes. My name is Mrs. Hunter. I'll be teaching second grade this year. This will be my 24th year of teaching. I come from a little tiny island called Guam, and it's located in the Pacific Ocean. Some of the things that I love doing are spending time with my family and my friends. I love watching football, but most especially, I love teaching my students. I hope everyone has a great year of learning.
Hello, my name is Maritza Vasquez. I am a second grade teacher at Sandhill Elementary. I have been working at Sandhill Elementary for 5 years. I love teaching second grade, and I really want to continue being a second grade teacher for many years to come. Thank you, and stay safe. Bye.
Hey there, I'm Ms. Dukic and I'm the English teacher for second grade dual language this year. This is my second year at Sandhill, but my very first as a dual language teacher, and I am so excited for this school year and I cannot wait to see how much our amazing second grader cranes grow this year.
Sandhill, this is Mr. Cranmer, one of the second grade teachers. I taught third grade last year and I'm teaching second grade this year. This is my second year at Sandhill, and my passion for education is teaching children how to read. Hope you enjoy the rest of the open house. Bye-bye.
This is Miss Summers. She is a second grade teacher. This is Mrs. Sumner. She is also a second grade teacher. This is Mrs. Piazek. She is new to Sandhill and she is a second grade teacher. This is Mrs. Ruis. She's the ESE inclusion teacher for grades K through 2. She will be servicing your child if they are receiving ESE services in the classroom. This is her 20th year in teaching. She has taught kindergarten and first grade. The students will be receiving assistance in reading, math, and some will be receiving social skills. If you have any questions, please feel free to email her at joyce.ruiz@polk-fl.net. She looks forward to a wonderful year of growth and learning. Our Title I staff at Sandhill Elementary are Tiffany Singleton, the interventionist, Jenny Glasgow, the reading coach, and Matthew Pelletier, the math coach. Read all about it. Students are expected to read and prove where they found their answers. This is called text evidence. Students will be reading different kinds of text of varying length, so reading stamina is very crucial. How can you help with comprehension? Encourage your child to read out loud. Have your child stop and think and ask questions about what is being read. Ask questions involving characters, setting, and events. Characters are the people or animals in a story. The setting is where and when the story takes place. And the events are what happened in the story, in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Reading fluency. How can you help? Encourage your child to read each night for at least 20 minutes. This is part of the homework every night. Help them learn the high frequency and spelling words. Read to and with your child. Have your child read aloud for someone and allow your child to sound out unknown words. It'll be a productive struggle for them, but in the end, it will help them. Reading assessments. Every other week, your child takes a weekly assessment that tests the skills that were taught, such as key details, text evidence, character, setting, plot, root words, inflectional endings, prefixes, suffixes, context clues, etc. Vocabulary tests checks to see if they can read and define the week's vocabulary words. Spelling or grammar tests. How can you help? Read the newsletter and encourage your child to practice the spelling and vocabulary words. Ask your child, who was the story about? Where did it take place? When did it take place? And what are some key details of the story? AR. Every week, your child has the opportunity to check out books from the library. Students must read and take an AR test on the books they check out. It is highly recommended that your child read the book at least 3 times before taking the AR quiz. AR quizzes are taken at school. They may not take them at home. Library books must be returned to the library. PBS, Positive Behavior System. Students are given initials for positive behaviors daily. Every 2 months, students with 80 to 100 initials are rewarded at a Crane celebration. The upcoming Crane celebration will be the Fall Festival. There will be more to follow. Writing. Your child will be asked to write in paragraphs and to write summaries. By the end of the year, your child will be expected to write a solid introduction paragraph. How can you help? Encourage your child to write 2 to 4 sentences about the story that they read. Check their writing for spaces between words, proper punctuation, grammar, and capital letters at the beginning of each sentence. Math. There will be weekly assessments, daily drills on paper, which is math fluency, end of module assessments, which are cumulative exams. It's not enough that your child knows how to add 1-digit numbers. They must be able to read the directions and do the problems. Add 1, 2, and 3-digit numbers and read word problems and solve them. How can you help? Encourage your child to practice their math facts each night. Play math games online such as Prodigy or Freckle Math. These programs may be found on ClassLink. Math topics for the year. Social emotional learning in mathematics. Module 1, place value concepts to 1000. Module 2, basic fact relationships. Module 3, 2-digit addition and subtraction strategies. Module 4, 3-digit addition and subtraction strategies. Module 5, length and data. Module 6, Time and Money, and Module 7, Geometry. Reading topics for the year: key details, character setting and events, plot, which includes problem and solution, main topic, author's purpose, plot, sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, analyze illustrations, theme, point of view, and poetry. Science topics for the year: science exploration, observation versus inference, scientific conclusions, classifying matter, states of matter, changes in property, uses of energy, pushes and pulls, magnets and gravity, force and motion, patterns in nature, sun, water, and air, weather and severe weather, rocks, properties of soil, distinguishing body parts, life cycles, basic needs, and habitats. We are working to keep Sandhill as germ-free as possible. Masks at Sandhill are optional. Please don't send students to school sick. Wash hands more often. Hand sanitizer is available. Social distance as much as possible. We are getting plexiglass barriers for each student, and air purifiers are in every classroom. Uniform policy. Students may wear polo shirts that are hunter green, navy blue, white, or red. They may also wear the school shirts that may be bought from the front office. Khaki pants, shorts, or jeans. Students need to have a belt on if belt loops are present. Shirts must be tucked in, and girls may wear skirts. Headphones are highly recommended to be used with iPads or computers at school. Water bottles may be brought in with water filled from home. Online resources for parents and students may be found at the Polk Schools website. Click on the Students tab and then click on Class Link for Students. Parents may also check your child's information on the parent portal. There are also many more resources on the school board website. Thank you for watching our virtual open house. Please view the virtual Title I annual meeting by clicking on the link for that meeting. Let's have a safe and productive year together.